morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you guys are in the world. I hope you guys are having a good day. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is David Sriracha. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Also, right next to the subscribe button is also this little bell icon. If you don't mind, can you just tap it for a little bit? That way every time when I post a new video, you guys will get notified. A few months ago, I made this video where I went to H Mart and I got these clams. They were like 2 for $1. It tastes pretty good, but I was outside grilling in the hot sun. I don't know. But anyways, recently I noticed a local HEB, they saw some of these too for 50 cents each. So I had to get some for us to try. Before we eat, I'm gonna take you guys to HEB, show you where I got them from. I'm gonna show you guys how I prepare them, and then we eat. If you ready, let's go. AKA Vominos. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take them out and we're gonna wash it. Yeah. $5 for 10 of them. Alright, so we're gonna go over here and put on bake for 350 and start. And while we wait for the oven to heat up to 350 degrees, we're gonna need one of these baking trays. We're gonna throw a clam in there. And then we're gonna set it for 40 minutes. It's just a guesstimate. I usually take them out once they open up. So while we wait for the clam to cook, let's make our dipping sauce and our scallion and oil sauce. And to do this, we're gonna need a few ingredients. I have 2 of them in my garden, so let's go visit my little sad garden so we can pick up some ingredients. Come on. So this is my little sad garden. If you look at it, this is all that I have that's edible. Some green onions, a field chili pepper tree, and some basil. It's laughable when you compare it to my boy Kevin from Trap Beat Show TV. He has so much edible fruit in his backyard that it's ridiculous. The guy has his own longan tree. He's a pretty cool guy. He's all about that garden life and he can cook up some unique dishes. So please check him out if you can. I'll link his channel above and also in my description. So we're gonna grab some green onions and a field chili pepper. I don't know what's the proper name for these pepper, but they be on fire. So in order to make the scallion and oil sauce, you just need 2 ingredients, scallions and oil. I didn't have enough green onions from the garden, so luckily I got some left from the fridge. So yeah. Don't mind my chopping skill. Throw in the bowl. And then all you're gonna do is make it rain with the olive oil. Oh yeah. Use spoon, mix it up. And then we're gonna pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And it should look something like this when it's done. Oh yeah. To make the dipping sauce, we're gonna need some lime, some garlic, chilies, sugar, and fish sauce. For the garlic, smash it. Simple. Done. Let's cut this part out. I just cut my chilies in half. Lime. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, so whatever lime you sweeten to this spoon, it's gonna be the same ratio as fish sauce. Simple as that. So we were able to get 2 spoonfuls of lime juice from this lime. So we're gonna add 2 spoonfuls of fish sauce. Mix it up for a bit, then add your garlic and chili pepper. The next part, it would help if you have a blender with the post options. Don't go crazy on it, just slightly press the post button and your sauce should look something like this. I like mine with a bit of sugar, so it's really up to you. Mix it up and you're done with the sauce. Okay. And if you have some dry unsalted peanuts, it will add a kick to this dish. Throw in some peanuts. Just start smashing it. I like to cut the clam into smaller pieces and make it easier to eat. I know, I sound like an old man. So all we gotta do now is garnish it with the scallion and oil sauce. My mouth is watering already. Then we're gonna throw some peanut on top. I know your mouth is watering. My mouth is watering, so I know your mouth is passively. And there you have it, folks. Take a look at our final products. Doesn't it look delicious? I'm gonna make it ring with the dipping sauce so all the flavor can mush together. First one. I can feel the spiciness already. You guys ever tried this yet? Ginger ale and lemonade together? Not bad. Alright, you ready? Oh, man. Scallion sauce. You know, clam, I don't know how you guys like them, but you know, I have to cook them well. I like mine a little bit chewy. Oh my god. It tastes so good. All this flavor fused together inside your mouth. The saltiness from the clam, the peanuts, scallion oil, and then the chili. Wow, so good. Whew. Man, eating this way is so much better than, you know, eating outside in the hot sun. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much if you stayed to the end. Be sure to hit the subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you soon. Wow, so delicious.